No.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing my makeup routine, everyday makeup routine.
Boo!
As you
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
This is what I do with my face mostly every single day if I go out. So if you want to see what's happening, you should continue watching. And yes, I know, I'm sitting on a garden stool. What is it? A balcony chair? Whatever, you know? So just go on over and watch it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is put on lotion. So I use the Cetaphil or Baby Johnson's. I took out the sticker because I got bored, you know? So today we're gonna use Cetaphil. I'm sorry if I'm laughing. Lydia's just sitting behind like this.
I'm not doing that, but okay.
So just a little bit. As you can see, I'm kind of breaking out right now, so don't judge. Everyone gets pimples, you know. Next, I'm gonna take my Tartelette Pro Glow and I'm mixing it with my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation in the shade Light Sand. Just gonna mix that onto my hand. This is a really good foundation, like I'm not even kidding you. It's amazing. It's the best foundation I've ever used. So just a bit, you know, want that glowy look, you know. I mixed it in with this. I don't know why. Okay, so we're gonna use a beauty blender to buff all of that in, and then I use my Mario Badescu rose water to spray and dampen it up. Yeah, so I use a fake booty blender because you don't need a real one to get the same effect, I think. James Charles is actually quaking now. So next we're going to be using the NARS Creamy Concealer in the shade Light to Vanilla. I used to use the Naked Skin Urban Decay one. It's also pretty good, but I think this is much better. I don't know, just it's more creamy and smoothing. Put it underneath my eyes. On any zits. And girls having a lot of them today. I think that's fine. Just highlight the top points of the face. Spray a bit more. I don't know where this is from, but it's a, how would you say, a cream or like those palette concealers. They're much thicker, so I use them for zits because they cover up more, so I just use it with my finger. There's like two colors here, so I just blend them in together. So now we're gonna go in with the Maybelline powder. I don't use Laura Mercier because I don't need it. And I'm too broke to buy it. So we just use this with some random brush. I don't even know where this is from, but it came in a pack with this concealer, so it's a good brush. Just everywhere. Lip balm. This is the best lip balm you could ever get. Vaseline Cocoa Butter. Put it on. I use this brush, again, I don't know where it's from, to bronze up my face. And I have the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer. It's a sample, because I got it by using my points in Sephora. So it's actually great. I'm just using the 3E technique. Bronze up the face, and it smells like chocolate. It smells so good. So on top of the forehead, chin. I'm just kind of go in my nose, even though it does like nothing. Just make myself darker because the foundation's kind of too light. Okay, so now for the brows, I just use this spoolie. Spoolie? Is that what they're called? Eyebrow brush. Just brush all my eyebrows up. And then I use, okay, so this looks like a felt pen, but it's not. It's for your eyebrows. And I got it in Russia, and if I can try finding it on the website, I'll link it down below. But I don't know if you could buy it because I bought it in Russia. But I just line my bottom part of my brows. Just kind of like tap it in, you know, because it's too dark. And I don't really carve out my eyebrows after because I can't be bothered to, like, too much effort. Okay, so just kind of like brush it up with the part. So that's what I do. So this is what Lydia gave me. It's broken, I know. What is it called?
But you don't use that part.
It's called Nude Stick. When she gave it to me, there's like kind of something left in there, so I'll just be like, okay.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I don't think it works now.
Yeah, it's the eyebrow pencil I use.
Okay, so I use the eyebrow gel, and I love to brush my eyebrows up, even though they look like, I don't know, caterpillars or something.
They look like kiwis. Okay, that's a bit too much. Okay, so the eyebrows are done. I don't do much to it because honestly, don't care. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Tartelette Pro Glow again. Oh, by the way, it's in the shade Exposed, and I put it on the tip of my nose, on my like cheekbones, which are non-existent, my brow bone, and like on top of my lip. I used to use the Becca, what is it called? Shimmering Skin Perfector, but it's finished, and I actually want to cry because it's the best thing on earth. Just a bit. Oh, it's too much. Okay, so on my lip is fine. I don't put too much because I already put it in my foundation to make it more glowy. Just blend it in with my fingers, because then over that I go in with another highlighter because it's like the best part. Gotta be glowy. Alright, so now I go in with the Urban Decay Naked Flush palette. I use the same brush again because I don't have a, what's it called? A highlighter fan brush because I don't care again. So it has a blush, a highlighter, and a bronzer. As you can see, all I use is the highlighter. I just put it on the same place where I put the liquid highlighter. Okay. That's it. Okay, so now for the blush, I either use the same palette, which I use the highlighter for, or I use the Zoeva, what is it? Coral Spectrum palette. So I use this Eco Tools tapered blush brush and just the apples on my cheeks. I think that's fine. Oh yeah, for mascara, right now I have fake eyelashes, and if you want to get fake eyelashes, I'll put the store down below. I have to find it first, but it was pretty cheap. It's pretty good. So if I wouldn't have fake eyelashes, I would use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's honestly amazing.
Lydia's nodding her head because she knows it's true. I used to use this Great Lash by Maybelline. It's pretty good for the price. I don't know how much it was because I bought it in Russia. Probably like 12 ringgit if you change it to like Malaysian currency. But it has a really small brush, so I would do that for my bottom lashes because it's easier not to mess up. Just like that. Okay, so this is the finished makeup look. I hope you liked the video. Like, subscribe, comment, give video ideas. So if any of you wanted to know how I do my makeup or whatever, you just saw it. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Do you want to say bye, Lydia?
Bye!
Okay, see ya!
You wanna go? Oh, do you want to hold that one?